Tips for writing a successful NIH grant application. Securing funding from the National Institutes of Health or NIH can be a vital step in advancing your research and career in the field of biomedical and behavioral sciences. This step-by-step guide aims to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the application process for NIH grants and funding opportunities. Step 1. Determine eligibility and research interest before applying for NIH grants. It is crucial to ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for the specific funding opportunity you are interested in. Additionally, identify the NIH institutes or center that align with your research interest. Step 2. Explore funding opportunities. Visit the NIH Grants and Funding webpage, grants.nih.gov, to explore available funding opportunities. Use the NIH RePORTER tool to search for previously funded projects similar to yours and identify potential funding mechanisms. Step 3. Register with ERA Commons. Create an account on the ERA Commons website, commons.era.nih.gov, if you haven't already done so. This platform is essential for submitting and managing NIH grant applications. Step 4. Develop your research proposal. Craft a compelling research proposal that addresses the objectives of the Funding Opportunity Announcement or FOA. Clearly articulate your research hypothesis, methodology, significance, and expected outcomes. Step 5. Budget preparation. Prepare a detailed budget that accurately reflects the resources required to conduct your research. Familiarize yourself with NIH budget guidelines and restrictions outlined in the FOA. Link Application Guide. Links in the description. How to apply, application guide, grants.nih.gov. Step 6. Find collaborations if applicable. Identify potential collaborators, consultants, or subcontractors who can contribute expertise or resources to your project. Ensure that all collaborators meet the eligibility criteria specified in the FOA. Step 7. Write your grant application. Follow the instructions provided in the FOA and the NIH application guide to prepare your grant application. Pay close attention to formatting requirements, page limits, and submission deadlines. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 8. Obtain institutional approval. Submit your grant application to your institution's sponsored research office for internal review and approval. Allow sufficient time for this process, as institutional approval is necessary before submission to NIH. Step 9. Submit your application. Submit your completed grant application electronically through the NIH ERA Commons system by the specified deadline. Double-check that all required documents and forms are included and that your application adheres to formatting guidelines. Step 10. Peer review process after submission. Your grant application will undergo peer review by experts in the field. Reviewers will assess the scientific merit, significance, and feasibility of your proposed research. Step 11. Receive funding decision. Following peer review, you will receive a summary statement containing the reviewer's critics and a priority score. Based on this feedback, NIH program officers will make funding decisions. Step 12. Award negotiation and acceptance. If your application is selected for funding, NIH program staff will initiate award negotiations. Review the terms and conditions of the award carefully before accepting it. Step 13. Manage your award. On acceptance of the award, work closely with your institution's sponsored research office to manage grant funds. Comply with reporting requirements and conduct your research in accordance with NIH policies and regulations. Conclusion. Navigating the NIH grant application process requires careful planning, attention to detail, and adherence to NIH guidelines. By following this step-by-step guide and leveraging available resources, you can increase your chances of securing NIH funding for your research endeavors. Remember this: you are capable of achieving incredible things. Whether it is pursuing your passion, overcoming challenges, or spreading kindness, you have the power to make a positive impact on the world. So take a deep breath, embrace the journey ahead, and always remember to believe in yourself. Together, we can create a world filled with hope, inspiration, and endless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep shining bright.